Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with turquoise, the stone of the spirit. And for those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we'll be doing that with turquoise. These guided meditations are an opportunity to really practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, hearing about the supportive benefits that they have, and deciding if that's a gemstone that you would like to work with some more. If you haven't already watched the video, The Top 4 Crystal Wisdom Benefits of Turquoise, then I'll link that up in the eye above in case you want to pause this video and watch that one to get a feel for the supportive benefits that turquoise can provide. If you have a piece of turquoise, whether it's tumbled or whether you have it in a ring or a necklace, any form will help. Then you may want to pause the video and go get that right now. But you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. You can picture a piece of turquoise in your mind, and if any of the prompts that I go through during this video really feel familiar to you, they call you or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some turquoise and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this guided meditation is a comfortable seat, and that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. So if you have your gemstone or you're ready to picture it in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to what it feels like to breathe right now. Is it open and full or tight and shallow? How is it for you right now? And then bringing your attention to your physical body and noticing if there are any sensations that you feel right now. And checking in with your heart, seeing what emotions are with you. And then noticing the state of your mind, if it's busy or calm or in between. And we're not trying to change anything or fix it. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bring your attention to those places on your body that are touching the cushion or the floor beneath you, and noticing that really solid connection to the earth. You are supported by the entire earth. You're sitting directly over its center. You have access to all of its energy. And the earth will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you have a piece of the turquoise, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone today. And then take a minute to feel your turquoise, your piece of turquoise. Is it smooth or rough? Feel the weight of it in your hand. And take a minute to really get to know your piece of turquoise. And if it's in a piece of jewelry, then notice the shape of the stone. And if you don't have turquoise, then picturing a turquoise blue gemstone in your mind with a little bit of black marbling in there. Notice if anything has changed with your body, your heart, and your mind since you've picked up the piece of turquoise. And then imagine your spirit guide, or whatever presence you feel guides and supports you, is sitting right next to you, providing you with protection and support. And sit with this image of turquoise energy for a minute. Turquoise is the stone of the spirit. And as you sit and hold or imagine your stone, consider the following questions and how they may relate to your life right now or not. Do you want to be able to deepen or improve your meditation experience? Would you like to strengthen your connection to spirit or angel guides? Are you in need of an energetic cleansing or reset? Do you feel you need energetic or spiritual protection? And would you like to feel more connected to your family or your family's lineage, your traditions? All of these areas of life are guided and supported by turquoise. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to your heart, to your mind and body, and sit with it for another minute or two while holding or picturing the turquoise stone. notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you're holding the stone. And bringing your attention to your body, your heart and mind, and notice if anything has changed since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the turquoise energy and release that situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me and sharing a meditation today. And if you feel like turquoise is a gemstone that you'd like to work with further, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the support of the turquoise gemstone whenever you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works. Knowing which situations in life we want support with, which gemstones will help us, and then using them, sitting with them, and reflecting on our life. And if you're brand new to the channel, I talk about a new gemstone every single week. So if you're really interested in getting an in-depth look at a lot of different gemstones and how they can help you in your practical everyday life situations, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.